Good morning, everybody. Sorry about my voice. Something's going on. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but thank you so much for coming back to my channel. What I'm going to do today is give you a wear test of my entire face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup. You know, she's my girl crush, and I really have loved her products. So I have used every single thing Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to spend the day wearing this and checking in, and I'm going to compare this with the items that I have been wearing that have always been my ride or die products. So as you can see, it does look pretty good. My skin looks nice and, excuse me, my voice, wow. My skin looks nice and pretty flawless, actually. Eyeshadows are pretty. So stay with me. I'm going to check back several times, and I'll let you know how all of this wears. So this is going to be check-in number one. I'm actually in my parking garage. So the colors look pretty good. I've had this on for about an hour and a half now. So let's get a little closer. The eyeshadows are wearing okay. I'm seeing a little bit of smudge from the mascara on top, which is unusual. The eyeliner on this is my left eye, is smudging a little bit because I'm having some allergy issues today. So that's really not a reflection on Charlotte Tilbury's products, because if you look at the other side, it's just fine. So this is check-in number one. So let's keep going and see what happens. I am at check-in number two. I'm just a little disappointed at the mascara smearing as much as it is. Look at the bottom there. It actually smeared on the top too. So disappointing, but everything else looks okay. So here I am in my car on my way home, and I wanted you to take a look at this makeup. The eyeliner just sort of fell apart. It sort of went away. This eye is all runny and teared off because of allergies today, so that eye doesn't count. But even looking at this one, you know, the eyeliner just really didn't stay in place for me. It went away. The foundation and the blush stayed pretty nicely, and that's my check-in for right now. So I'll check in again later. Hey everybody, it's day two of my Charlotte Tilbury wear test. I did everything exactly the same today as I did yesterday, with a couple exceptions. I used my regular Ride or Die Marc Jacobs eyeliner, which is very, very pretty, and I've had this on since 7:30 this morning. I've had this on for 10 hours, and it has held up really nicely. What I did differently this time is I used the Guerlain primer. It's the gold one, the Radiance Foundation with the pure gold in it. And if you take a look at my skin, I'm gonna get really close. Let's see. Looks pretty good. You can tell I've had it on for a while. I could use a little powder, but the blush didn't go away. The foundation stayed in place. I haven't touched up anything today except my lipstick. So after 10 hours of having this on, it does say a lot about that Guerlain primer, but also, you know, it just says I can wear all my lovely, wonderful Charlotte Tilbury products as long as I put something under it to give it something to stick to, I guess. But I love these products. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I still do. You know, yesterday was a little rough because I put it right on my skin without a primer, because I do like to try it both ways. You know, if someone's going to sell a foundation and say how fabulous and wonderful it is, it needs to be able to stay on, even without a primer. So, you know, I still love it, and I am going to use a primer with it, and I think it turned out really nicely. So that being said, this video is over. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe, share it with somebody who you think might benefit from it, and I will see you in my next video.